Okay, need to test out my equipment before my next trip because you know, the winter is coming. So I made this 3,000 kilowatt or 3 kilowatt diesel heater using a 40 millimeter ammo can with a little stand. It's adjustable with intake in the bottom and exhaust on the other side. And this unit is completely standalone. That means the batteries and the gas tank is inside the tank, inside of the can. So everything is contained, independent. You can hear the heater's on, right? And then here's my main switch, and here's my battery charging SAE plug. My exhaust is out here. Depending on the setting, I can turn it different angle. And obviously the outlet is here. Right now it's at lowest setting. It's very, very hot. That's why I don't suggest you buy more than 5 kilowatt heater because it gets too hot. This is the lowest and extremely hot right now. So yes, completely contained. I use 1 liter of motor oil can in here, and I think either 12 or 15 mAh lithium batteries inside. So everything fits in a package. Here's a controller, and also have a little remote too. So yeah, testing it out, making sure everything works. You know, diesel heater is a little bit more, you know, finicky than propane heater. So yeah. So if you have any questions, comment on this video. Like I said, testing it out, making sure everything works before I go on the next trip. Talk to you then.